Some highway patrol, 65 in the 50 cam zones, guys. What's going on? Sorry? Yeah, no, that's right. Were you looking at your speedo or?
First thing this item from the highway patrol. Is there any reason why you were not wearing your seatbelt? So no lawful reason? No emergency reason why you weren't wearing it? So this one in the back also didn't, and as I said, the child wasn't restrained because you were holding the child. Okay. So you didn't have your belt on at all as well? Do you have your ID at all, madam? Sure, so it was just the little one that wasn't restrained then, that was climbing around everywhere, which is even worse. Okay. The infringement notice is $1,165 for not wearing your seatbelt, okay?
There you go, mate. It up again in a second because I'm going to take some photos. So your vehicle's defective, mate. You've got 37-inch tyres. So why put them on? Or whoever's done it has cut the guts out of the bonnet. Can't do that either. Your traffic infringement notice, your details up the top there. Vehicle, time, date, place of the offence, driver defective vehicle, $309, 3 points from your licence. 37-inch tyres, you've cut your bonnet,